Welcome back, dear children. Now, you all know that Kalpana Chawla was a great scientist and she completed her aeronautical engineering and masters in that. What is that? Aeronautical engineering in the United States of America. She later earned her PhD also in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American women astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. She participated in a successful mission in space. Children, do you have any doubts on this, dear? Right. So her family from India cheered along with the staff at Kennedy Space Center. It's the name of the space center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Columbia is the name of the space vehicle. You all know that, right? You only answered first. So now they all cheered along with the space. It is really a moment of pride that an Indian American astronaut, first women that too, right? Now we all were very proud of her, right? Any doubt, dear? Now, Kalpana Chawla, about her, she was born in Karnal, Haryana, here only in India, but was naturalized US citizen. I told you before itself when we saw the meaning of naturalized, we have a rules and regulations to be followed to get the citizenship of America. So she was a naturalized US citizen. She was married to a flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison. So the name of the person is Jean Perry Harrison. And where she was born, dear? Fantastic. She was born in Karnal, Haryana. Right? Any doubt in this? Now, besides being an astronaut, she was also licensed to fly. So how we are getting licensed to ride two-wheeler and drive four-wheelers, cars, heavy vehicle license, light vehicle license, all that we are having, isn't it? The same way, we have separate license to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes. We have light vehicle and heavy vehicle license in car. I mean four-wheeler, not in car, four-wheelers. The same way here to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes we have license. And she has that license. She was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. See how much of license she got. She was also a certified flight instructor. So she can able to teach others how to fly also. Right? Is it clear? She has license to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Yama? So after qualifying as a pilot, so all these are the qualification of a pilot. See how much she had knowledge of aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, and also she was a qualifying pilot. She was an instructor, pilot instructor. Right, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. Apart from these talents, she also possessed another challenge. What is it? She applied to NASA Space Shuttle program. Right, first she was hired in the sense when we work for 1 hour, they will pay some amount. Okay, so that is what hiring. She was hired first as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA by seeing her talent and knowledge. NASA itself selected her for training as an astronaut. Astronaut, you all know astronaut is a person who flies in space. Okay, so now she was a qualified pilot. She was very good in aerospace engineering. She was a pilot trainer, and she began to consider another challenge. What is it? NASA's Space Shuttle program. First, she was hired as a research scientist at NASA. Later in 1994, she was selected by NASA as an astronaut. Clear? So when she asked what it was like being a woman in her field, so most of them will be male, right? Women will not shine in that particular field, maybe in previous period, not now. So they asked what it was like being a woman in her field. She replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman. So I doesn't have the feeling that man, women, all that. Okay, it's a person from a small city or a different country. She never had a feeling of man women differentiation, right? She never had a feeling of I came from a small city. No discrimination at all. She belongs to a different country. Okay, so all these discriminations are out of her way. She had only one focus, that she had to do her work and had to shine in that field, right? So children, this is a fantastic lesson that you have to learn from Kalpana Chawla, that you should not think about the discrimination of girl, boy, or rich, poor, or she came from a small village, or I belong to a beautiful city or high class city, all that, or she came from other district, other state, other country, all that. No discriminating, right? See, your work has to be focused and you have to develop yourself in that. That should be the only one focus in you. So once again, I wish to read this paragraph and you too have to read the whole lesson, right? So when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. So I pretty much had my dreams. See, she is visualizing. As Abdul Kalam said, visualize your dream. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else that I followed them. And people who around me encouraged, okay, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. That is what is the wordings that their person, their people around her said. So she had so much of dreams. She visualized the dreams and she had an inspiration or a role model and she tries to follow them. Okay, that is what happened. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Children, do you have any doubt? Is it clear for you? Yes? Shall I move to the next slide? So now in the fifth paragraph, Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. How much, dear? First of all, what is the first space mission? Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. How many times? 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. So it's really great to say this. One time, if we round the earth, also it is taking a lifetime. In our city, we are not coming around our city also sometimes, right? So, but she went around the earth 252 times. Really, it's a very proud moment to hear this. Traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Right? The crew, that is the team, included a Japanese and an Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as how many experiments she conducted, we saw in the news report. More than 80 experiments they conducted, the crew. The crew performed 80 experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in plants, how it works, how it grows in space, and test for making which is a stronger metal and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. See, actually, she has a knowledge of aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, and as an astronaut, she was selected and she worked in NASA also. She was a pilot, she was a pilot trainer, she has a license of everything. So, apart from all these, now entering into pollinating plants, right? So it is totally a little bit different from aeronautical engineering and science. Even then, the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants and to observe how food growth in plants occurs in space and test for making stronger metals. Test for making stronger metal. You know in which metal aeroplane is made of? Yes, this is a searching question for you. At the end of the session, I'll say you the answer. Okay, and test for making stronger metals and the faster computer chips for the price tag of about $56 million. Right, now on the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. We cannot believe really Columbia disaster. Can you able to see the picture there? How it is breaking out? Really, it is horrible. The town of Colonel spent a sleepless night. We all were struggled to sleep. Sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television. See, so many incidents happened, and television, TV is the only media at that time, not now. Now you have YouTube and other things to deliver the news. But in those days, in 1993, 94, we have only television sets to say about the news. So everybody stayed in their home. They were glued to their television, glued in the sense they stayed in front of the television for a long time. Sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. They had a belief that they'll survive. But actually, what happened that you all know, right? So, children, with the sad news, I'm ending this session. and we'll continue in the next session, dear. Thank you.